Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to break this board. So first of all, this is an imitation of a regular wooden board, but this one is made out of plastic. The outside and the whole part is this white plastic, but the top of it is covered by this like rubbery thing. It's just to protect your hands when you are punching through it. Buying the wooden boards is very expensive, so you usually use those during the exams. But you still need to practice how to break the wooden boards, so you use these plastic ones that you can reuse. So you can take them apart like this, two pieces, and then you can put them back together once they are broken, and voila, here it is. It's very important when you start breaking anything like wooden blocks, make sure that you are prepared mentally and physically as well. So when you're breaking the board, you have to know where are you going to aim your punch and what are you going to expect. So meaning expect. Some people just try to break the wooden block just like this, but it's not gonna go through. You have to push through it. I'm gonna demonstrate it, so maybe we can practice together. Okay, so now what we are going to do is talk about this. This is the wooden block. Now it's a plastic block, but it doesn't matter. This is the board. And when you go for it, use this part of your hand to punch through it. So let's see it. Same with here. You try to make sure that this part is the one that touches the board. It's very important that you push through in the middle. So the middle section is the one that you have to punch through. Don't just do this, you have to punch through it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you have to make sure that your hand is ready that you're going to use. I'm gonna use my right hand. So you can practice, well, maybe not on the floor, but you can sort of do this. This would give an initial hit to your hands, the side of your hands, and would be prepared for the breaking the board. Because when you just do it, your hands are not prepared. Now, as you can see, my side is getting more prepared, so I just keep doing this. Hopefully the neighbor won't mind. Now it's getting ready. Okay, so this is a little bit low for me now, but let's just go with it. So what you do is when you're getting ready to do the punch, you have to have the right direction for it. So this is a little bit low still. I would love to stack it up a little bit more, but I couldn't find better shoe boxes. Maybe next time. And you use this part. But you also need to have this motion. So you don't just do this. This is not a good way to break. You don't have enough momentum. This is just using your biceps, triceps. What you need to do is use your whole body for the breaking. So as you saw in my video for my Taekwondo exam, let's see it here. Those were 3 wooden blocks, so I think that was like 6-7 centimeters. So I use my whole body to do the breaking, and you have the cements that are holding the blocks up. Those are really good. I would like to get some of those. Those would be really useful, maybe for the next video. Anyway, let's do this and try to practice it at home. So you use your arm to the fullest, and not just your arm, but your whole body. So when you do it, you do this. Therefore, making sure your hands are prepared, the other hand leads the way to it. So don't just leave the other arm, anything like this. You have to make sure that you lead the way. So you get ready and you know what you want to do. What you can do is step to the board and try to move 1, 2, and then for the 3rd time you do the key up, and then you're gonna break. Ah! That's it. So So let me put this back together. So now you do it again. So you get ready. You know what you want to do. You want to punch through the wooden block. Okay? Just like in this video. Let's get ready. I'm not in a great position here to do the breaking, but let's just roll with it for now. Again, when you practice, I would like you to stand up a little bit like this and go down. But this should be up here, so you do this. But you don't just go here, you go all the way through. Let's just try and do that for now. Okay? So, let's come on. Okay? Okay, so this is how you do it. Make sure that you have enough momentum. Make sure that you know how to be precise. Punch in the middle, very important. Otherwise, it's not gonna break. With the wooden boards, that's different because sometimes it breaks if you punch it or kick it here or here. But with the plastic ones, I have to tell you, you always have to aim for the middle. Again, make sure that you use your whole body and you do this. And you don't have to do too much of it. I already feel that my hands are not that good and it starts hurting. So then you need to stop and just make sure that your hands are okay, and you need to put some ice on it if you want to, and just get ready for doing it with your legs. So kicking through the wooden blocks with your legs or something else, or use the other hand. Don't overdo anything like this because it's not good for you. It's not good for your hand, it's not good for anything. So please make sure that you're doing it well and that you are careful and you are making sure that you're mindful about breaking the wooden boards. Please let me know in the comments below, how do you break the wooden board? Do you have any tips and tricks how to do it, how to prepare for it mentally and physically? I'm very interested, so just write a comment below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for our channel for more videos. Bye!